How to do the perfect pull-ups for maximum back development. Lats, rhomboids, teres major, teres minor, and lower traps all help retract and stabilize the shoulder blades. Biceps, brachialis, and brachioradialis contribute significantly to elbow flexion and grip strength. Abdominal prevent excessive arching of the lower back and keep you from swinging. Now let's move on to perfect form. Stand under the bar, reach up and grab it about 1.5 times shoulder width apart. Grip the bar deeply in your palm rather than just the fingertips. Bring your legs slightly forward, squeeze your quads, point your toes, and tighten your glutes. This hollow body eliminates energy leaks and keeps your torso rigid. From this dead hang, depress your shoulders, pull them away from your ears. Think down and back. This engages the lats and protects your shoulders from unpacking. Keep your chest lifted slightly and your eyes looking up where you want to go. Initiate the pull by driving your elbows down toward your sides, as if you're pulling them into your back pockets. Keep your wrists in line with your forearms. Avoid any extreme bend that might stress the wrist joints. Continue pulling until your chin passes the bar or at least reaches it. Aim to bring your chest close to the bar. This might mean arching your upper back slightly, but don't overarch your lower back. Keep your shoulders from shrugging up or rolling forward. If your elbows flare too wide, you lose lat engagement. Slowly lower your body back down and let your arms fully extend. But don't shrug your shoulders up by your ears. Keep your core engaged throughout. Imagine resisting gravity rather than dropping. And that's the perfect pull-up. Once you've got your form dialed in, here are a few tweaks to try out. Number 1. Grip variations. Parallel grip. Friendlier on the shoulders, targeting mid-back and arms more. Underhand grip. Great if you want more focus on biceps and forearms. Number 2. Weighted pull-ups. Once you can do 10 plus solid bodyweight reps, try adding weight with a dip belt or by holding a dumbbell between your feet. This helps break strength plateaus and continue muscle growth. Number 3. Negatives only. Get a bench to help you get to the top position, then lower yourself slowly, taking 3 to 5 seconds. Builds eccentric strength for those struggling with a full rep. And finally, let's address some common mistakes and how to fix them. Number 1. Shrugging shoulders. Letting the shoulders ride up around your ears during the pull. Instead, keep your shoulder blades pulled down and back from the start. Maintain that shoulders away from ears posture throughout the set. Number 2. Using momentum by swinging your legs or arching your back excessively. Instead, engage your core, keep your body straight or slightly hollowed, and pull from a stable position. Number 3. Not straightening arms at the bottom. Instead, use a full range, descend until arms are nearly locked. Ascend until chin clears the bar or chest approaches the bar. Mistake number 4. Doing them all at the same time. Which of these mistakes have you caught yourself doing? Drop a comment below and let me know. Check out these videos if you want to learn more. Until next time, verið sæl.